This is John.
Okay.
This is Drake.
Nice to meet you.
This is Christian.
Okay.
And so we're all Peace Corps volunteers. We're all finishing our service. But two of us are staying for one more year.
Okay, it's a good one.
And you learned English. Why did you learn English so well?
Why? Because, I liked English so much. I had a long, a story one, because when my sister finished her school, she wanted to enter university. And when we went to Bishkek in order to attend university, I saw one foreigner, and he was speaking English so much and perfectly. So I had a big inspiration, maybe, to learn English. And then after it, I was maybe 6th or 5th grade, I don't remember. So I went to the Faculty of English, and so I wanted to learn this language a lot. But when I came to the village, when I was in 7th grade, Mr. Rosenberg came, and he arose our inspiration to the English.
And so Mr. Rosenberg was Peace Corps.
Yes, he was from Peace Corps. He was a volunteer.
You said he was Michigan State?
I don't remember. He was in New Jersey, because I am in a mistake. Laura was from Michigan, I think.
Okay.
Because it was a long time ago.
How many years were you taught by Peace Corps volunteers?
Just for 4 years.
For 4 years.
Because when I was in 7th grade they came, and when I was finishing the 11th grade they went away. So after that I didn't have any practice with volunteers.
And all this time you were in school in Kyrgyz?
Yes.
Wow.
After that I just finished my school and then attended English faculty, university department.
And you didn't forget your English?
Uh,
You didn't forget.